Hello student, today we discuss about the foundation and history of artificial intelligence. In previous class we have discussed what is the AI, artificial intelligence, their definitions, some query applications, some collaborated areas according to definition of John McCarthy, what is the artificial and what is the intelligence. Now we have discussed the foundation and history of artificial intelligence. Some contents are there as basics, history, then maturations of artificial intelligence, birth, golden years, first AI winter, then boom, second AI winter, emergence of intelligent agents, deep learning, big data, and current technologies related to AI. The basics are there. In year-wise from 1923 to 2000, we have discussed as milestone innovation. In 1923, the current capable play a name Rosum, a universal robot. That is Rosum, a universal robot opens in London. First use of the word robot in English. In 1943, after 20 years of 1923, the foundations for neural networks is laid out. After 2 years of 1943, the Isaac Asimov, a Columbian University alumni, coined the terms robotics. He is the first person that coins the terms robotics. After 5 years in 1950, Alan Turing introduced the Turing test. He has just introducing the Turing test. During the Turing test, they have found the intelligence capabilities. The Turing test for evaluation of intelligence and published computing machinery are intelligence. Claude Shannon published the detailed analysis of chess playing as such. After 6 years, in 1956, John McCarthy coined the terms artificial intelligence demonstrate of the first running AI program at Carnegie Mellon University. He is also the father of AI. John McCarthy is called the father of artificial intelligence. He introduced the AI in 1956. After that, in 1958, John McCarthy again invents the programming language for AI that called the Lisp. And Lisp is the programming language for the AI proposed by the John McCarthy. In 1964, Dan Bravos' dissertation at MIT shows that computers can understand natural language processing that is well enough to solve the algebra word problems correctly. In 1965, Jobs at MIT builds Elijah, an interactive problem that carries on a dialogue in English. In 1969, scientists at Stanford Research Institute developed the Psyche, a robot equipped with locomotions, perception, and problem solving. In 1973, the Assembly Robotics Group at Edinburgh University built Freddy, the famous Scottish robot capable of using the vision to locate and assemble models. In 1979, the first computer-controlled autonomous vehicle Stanford cart was built. In 85, Harold Johes creator demonstrated the driving program error. In 99, major advantage of AI is proposed in the area of significance demonstration in machine learning, case-based reasoning, multi-agent planning, scheduling, data mining, web crawl, natural language understanding and translation, vision, virtual reality, games, etc. In 1997, the Deep Blue chess program beats the then world's chess champions Gary. In 2000, interactive robot pets becomes the commercial available. Now we have discussed the history of AI in some graphical manners. History in 1943, evolutions of artificial neurons. Then 1950, Turing machines. 1956, birth of the AI. Then 1966, first chatbot Elijah. Then 72, first intelligent robot Babot first. 74 to 80, first AI winter. Then 80, expert system. In 1980, expert system is proposed. In 1987 to 1993, that particular duration, second AI winter is proposed. Then in 1997, IBM Deep Blue first computer to beat a world chess champion. In year 2002, the AI in home Romba is proposed. In 2011, IBM's Watson wins the quiz. So, in 2012, the Google Now, and in 2014, chatbot Egu Ghostman won a Turing test. In 2015, Amazon Echo. The same procedure is followed. Means from the initialization from 1923, when terms are in 90, the AI is introducing one words, additional features are added, and removing some disadvantage are from the AI technology. We start from the 1943 to 1950. Their duration is called Maturations of AI. In 1943, the first work which is now recognized as AI was done by the Warren McClone and Walter Pitts in 1943. They proposed a model of artificial neurons. In year 1949, Donald Hebel demonstrated an updating rules for modifying the connection strategy between neurons. His rule is now called Hebbian learning. Hebbian learning. In 1950s, the Alan Turing, who was an English mathematician and pioneering machine learning in 1950s, Alan Turing published Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test. The test can be checked the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence called a Turing test. Second thing, birth of artificial intelligence in from 1952 to 1956. In year 1955, and Alan uh, and Herbert created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. This program had proven 38 of 52 mathematics theorem and find new and more elegant proofs for some theorems. In 1956, the word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. For the first time, AI coined as an academic field. AI that time high-level computer language such as Proton, Lisp or COBOL were invented, and the enthusiasm for AI was very high at that time. The next paradigm are golden year early enthusiasm from 1956 to 1974. In year 1966, the researcher emphasized developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Joseph created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named as Elijah. In 1972, the first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan, which was named as Baybot first. Next paradigm, first AI winter from 1974 to 1980. The duration between years 1974 to 1980 was the first AI winter duration. AI winter refers to the time period where computer scientists dealt with a server shortage of funding from government or AI research. During AI winters, an interest of publicity on artificial intelligence was declared. Then boom of AI from 1980 to 1987. In 1980 year AI after AI winter duration, AI comes back with expert system. Expert system were programmed that emulate the decision making abilities of human experts. In the year 1980, the first national conference of the American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. Second AI winter from 87 to 93, the duration between the years 1987 to 93 was the second AI winter duration. Again, investor and government stopped in funding for AI research as due to high cost but not efficient result. The expert system such as XCON was very cost effective. Then emergence of intelligent agent. In 97, in the year 97, IBM Deep Blue beats world's chess champion Greg Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a world chess champion. 2002, for the first time, AI entered the home in the Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. That is a robot, one type of robot used for vacuum cleaning. In 2006, AI came in the business uh, world till the year 2006. Champions like Facebook, Twitter, and Netflix also started using artificial intelligence. The latest technology is deep learning, big data, and artificial general intelligence from 2011 to present. 2011, and IBM's version won Jeopardy, a quiz show where it had to solve the complex questions as well as riddles. Watson had proved that it could understand natural language and can solve tricky questions quickly. In 2012, Google has launched an Android app features Google Now, which was able to provide information to the user as a predictions. In 2014, in the year 2014, chatbot Aegis Ghostman won a competition in the infectious Turing test. 2018, the project Debater from IBM debated on complex topics with two master debates and also performed extremely well. Google has demonstrated an AI artificial intelligence program, Duplex, which was a virtual assistant and which has taken hairdresser appointment on call, and lady on other side did not notice that she was talking with the machines. Now artificial intelligence has developed to remarkable level. The concept of deep learning, big data and data science are now trending like a boom. Nowadays, companies like Google, Facebook, IBM, and Amazon are working with AI and creating amazing devices. The future of artificial intelligence is inspiring and will come with high intelligence. Thank you, students. I think you understood about the history of artificial intelligence.